Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video in the beautiful Midwestern continental part of our country. It's actually a rainy day today, but we decided we're gonna wash or detail. There's not much to detail on it, but we're gonna wash it. The 2012 BWS 50 that we purchased over the winter time. So initially we were going to do a video of fixing the inner fender in here, but we had started that and realized it's a bigger job, and turns out to be that we actually took it in to get that repaired because they had to take all plastics off. They took off all of the handlebars, the forks, everything had to come off, and we just weren't really set up for that. But regardless of that, we're going to clean it up, make it fresh, new, and ready for the 2020 season. All right, if you want to look over here, there's a little bit of dirt on here, and then down in here there's some dirt. There's an old sticker that must have been pasted on here, and we're going to try to use the steam cleaner to get this off. And then pretty much down here there's some other dirt that we're going to sort of scrub off and get this all nice and shiny clean. There's some stains over in here, must have been from when they filled up gas or something. We're going to try to get all that off and then make it all look brand new again. So further ado, let's get started. All right. Foam cannon time. We're just gonna dry it now. Alright, so we're all done now with cleaning the bike. We've actually foam cannoned it and then cleaned it, wiped it down. We detailed, sprayed it, got in all the little crevices and everything. And the final thing to do right now is to just dress it with Aerospace 303, and that's just going to make the black matte plastics come out, pop, and look all shiny, brand new again. Yeah, and then we'll go over the final reveal. half and half here. Show you the difference.
So one side's more darker, the other side's more light.
Yeah, this side is done. The other side is not done. Alright, well, we're all done here. I think it looks pretty good for the year that it is, 2012. One thing we couldn't really get off with the steamer was this little bit of glue. It seemed to have actually spread it. But if any of you guys know how to get deco glue off of plastics, let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, the like button, the share, the notification, and yeah, just let me know your comments. Thanks for watching.
If we go over here, you can see all the dirt coming off the tire.
Ugh, look at that stuff.